Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with your mouse cursor not showing up in Windows 11, don't worry, you're not alone and we've got you covered. Today I'll show you step by step how to fix this annoying problem and get your cursor back in no time. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with some basic checks. 1. Check mouse. First, let's start with some basics. 1. Check your mouse. Make sure your mouse is properly connected. If it's a wireless mouse, check if it's charged or has working batteries. 2. Connect another mouse. Try connecting another mouse to your computer. This will help you determine if the problem is with your mouse or your computer. 3. Check USB ports. Try plugging your mouse into a different USB port. Sometimes the issue could be with the port itself. If the basics don't work, try this quick keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus M. This shortcut can sometimes bring back the cursor if it has disappeared. Now let's check your mouse settings. Press Windows plus I to open settings, and in the search bar in the top left corner, mouse settings, and tap on it. Make sure the show pointer option is turned on. Also, you can adjust the pointer size and color to make it more visible according to your preference. If the issue persists, let's move on to the device manager. Right-click on the start button and select device manager. Expand the mice and other pointing devices section. Now right-click on your mouse listed on the section and select update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts. After updating, restart your computer to see if the cursor is back. And that's how you can fix the missing mouse cursor in Windows 11. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help out. Thanks for watching.